Good evening, everybody, and welcome to We Inspire, our weekly interview segment where we connect with entrepreneurs and talk about what keeps them inspired and motivated and how they started their business. Joining me today is Mr. Ramachandran Ganeshan, MD and CEO of construction-based technology services provider Costech IT Private Limited. He's here to talk about how using technology can reduce costs and maximize business opportunities. Welcome, Ramachandran.
Hi, Mr. Rinay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, and thank you for joining us. Ram, based on all our discussions, I'm looking forward to this interview because it's very, very interesting what you guys do. So, can you introduce yourself to the audience and the business that you're engaged in?
So myself, Ramachandran Ganeshan, I just did my bachelor's in civil engineering, and I'm just pursuing my master's in data science. So since I just have an idea of construction, and I have a idea in technology, what IT can do in my industry. So we just made a startup called Costech IT Private Limited, which mainly deals with technology services for construction and solutions. So right now, as of now, we started with two people with Vakil Search, and we incorporated our business last year, September 12, I believe.
Thanks for that, Ram. So before we go any further, I would like to talk about the company name, Costech Private Limited. It's a very unique name. So can you tell me the story behind it?
So we wanted to reduce, the cost by putting our technology for our customers. That's the reason, we want to, name it something close to cost and technology. So we just, put a little Spanish accent to it. So we just made it as Costech.
All right, sounds good. It's a very catchy name. All right, so moving on, since you mentioned you saw an opportunity over there with all your experiences. So what was the opportunity you saw in this business, and what prompted you to take act on that opportunity?
Since I just had engineering experiences in the construction industry majorly. I worked for all global markets for construction design and deployment services. So I even did my master's in IT, and I see the industry is kind of moving. Construction is the only industry where it is still in ice age. So we are expecting that industry evolve simultaneously. So how the banking before 10 years and how it is right now, you may see the change.
Right.
Similarly, this industry is also evolving. And before somebody go and do something, right, we wanted to put our steps first, and we want to evolve this market. So that is the reason we just get started with this industry. We majorly work on a platform called BIM.
Okay.
So BIM already has many softwares and services.
Okay.
So
can you expand what is BIM?
So BIM is like a building information modeling. So which is a a process where you actually virtually build a building. So which is also known as VDC, virtual design and construction. So BIM is a technical platform which commonly used in order to incorporate 3D modeling and the other services related to construction practices. And it's a common platform where it will put all the owner to subcontractor in one place. So you might have some expectations, right, in the industry. So this is how I want to construct something. But you cannot write up all those things in a 2D document. I mean, you cannot say, I need this style and something. So we will make everything virtually as possible. So that will give a perspective what it is inside the building. And based on that, the cost will be calculated technically.
All right. That sounds very exciting. So I guess this is what you meant, because the construction industry is a bit of an ice age and you guys want to develop it and evolve it further. So it sounds very exciting. So from a business standpoint, what is the advantage over there? Because let's say, in using your software.
Yeah. So we have worked with many global construction companies before. I know all the top construction giant companies, they are having 20,000 employees to some companies have 1 lakh employees in the construction industry. Already BIM helping the owners to reduce a lot of unnecessary costs in the building life cycle. So by using our software, what it can possibly do is it can you will be able to do 10 people of work in 3 people man hours. That means you are spending 100 hours typically to do something by using our SaaS based platform or something. You can spend only 10% of that cost. So literally again this industry runs in a heavy work schedule. So it will cut a lot of man hours. So that possibly you will just do all your work real quickly. At the meantime, you will save a lot of cost.
Perfect. Sounds really good. So let's move away from work for some time and let's talk about your personal life. As with every entrepreneur or every managing director for that, managing your personal life and your professional life can be hectic, can be a little bit of a challenge. So how do you find the balance? How do you do it with respect to your life?
So I just, basically graduated from a government school, and pretty much like I started early my career in 2013.
Okay.
I just kind of worked a lot of jobs, and eventually like when I completed my college, I got 20 plus job offers.
Mm.
I just spend my time on every company for a week or two, and I probably, if I don't like the process, I will be just coming out of that process.
Oh, I see.
And at the point of time, I got impressed with few companies where I just spend my career. I have 10 years of experience right now, with both like full time and part time
All
including.
right.
And I eventually worked as a consultant for many global companies and many big construction giants as well. So I had an idea like what this industry is all about, and where each country is on like on the front foot or back foot, the country like with respect to the technology and the advancements are.
Right.
So I thought like preparing in the same field
Okay.
will definitely help me to achieve something in the same field.
All right. All right. So you registered your company last year with Vakil Search. Can you take us through the
Yes.
process and how you found the experience?
So actually, like since I was doing everything as a consultant approach, like I lost some kind of recognition in the industry because I was a consultant.
Okay.
And since I mostly work with the US construction peoples, or like peoples in Australia or peoples in Singapore, they want to see something as an entity. They don't want to do a business with a single man, and they don't and like big peoples, they don't want to business with one person. They want to see a film or something. So
Hmm.
that is what I just have an idea like I need to just register this as a company. So we thought, and like after that, like we registered this company as a private limited company. That point of time I just searched a lot of things in internet, and in one way I found the Vakil Search, and I simultaneously spoke with 10 people to form a company.
Okay.
And Vakil Search promised me that like they will be doing the incorporation in 6 days and with lesser cost.
Right.
So I opted that opportunity, and within 6 or 7 days of days, like I got my incorporation ready in my hand. And furtherly, like still I'm just doing all my compliances and accounting everything with Vakil Search. And literally I don't have any person to do here management works. Mostly it's a startup, and I do all the work which is related to technology. In the meantime, I spend like 1 or 2 hours in the weekdays
Yeah.
and give the details so that our Vakil Search team can take up the secretarial and auditorial work for me.
Excellent. That sounds good. So finally, to end this interview, can we talk about some of your future aspirations for your business?
So actually, we are like working the same thing in construction industry. At the meantime, like we just mostly work with 3D modeling based applications, and it is like kind of interlinked with fabrication as well. So we know that agricultural and farming business in India has a great scope in the future,
All
and
right.
we are already specialized in AI and artificial intelligence based solutions, and we are a tech based company. So now we are putting our hands into agriculture as well, and right now we just incorporated another company called Costec Farms Private Limited, which majorly deals with artificial intelligence based equipments and stuff like that for agricultural industry. So as of now, we are mainly focused on sericulture, horticulture based agriculture product. So for that, like we launched this new company, and again we are just putting the same AI into agriculture as well. And I have seen a lot of foreign countries who have using many advanced equipments, but only thing. Like why it is not in India, if you just feel that perspective, only the point is price. So you see those countries, the simple drone for for pesticides, it will cost you 8 lakhs. But if
Hmm.
you see the backbone of that engineering, the product is not even worth for 50,000 if you make it by your own. The only thing like why it is being so highly cost is like the big end of that particular technology that they are using for that particular product.
Okay.
So if we put like 1,000 man hours, definitely we can make it that in the home ground as well. So that is what our next vision is.
Wonderful. It sounds really interesting and very exciting, honestly. Artificial intelligence and agriculture.
Yeah.
You sound like a man with a vision, and that sounds very
Yeah.
exciting. So, from
Thank
all
you.
of us here at Vakil Search, we wish you all the very best, and thank you for taking the time to do
Thank you,
this.
Ren.
All right. Take
Yeah.
care, Ram.
Thank you, Ren.
Yeah. Take care,
Yeah.
Ram.
Thanks
Bye.
for the support so far. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Good day.
Bye.